हर तीजड़ी लाव मन चाओ पया बैरागिया बलराम जियो संत जना हर मेल हर पाया वड भागिया बलराम जियो निर्मल हर पाया हर गुण गाया मुख बोली हर बाणी संत जना वड भागी पाया हर कथिय अकथ कहानी हृदय हर 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 तोने उपजी हर जपिए मस्तक भाग जियो जन नानक बोले तीजी लावे हरे उपजै मन बैराग जियो जन नानक बोले तीजी लावे मन उपजै मन बैराग जियो हर तीजड़ी लाव. The third law. So as we stated 2 days ago, okay, the first law after Maharaj teaches us the pravirti karm. Pravirti karm ਇਹ ਆ ਕਿ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਓ, ਸੱਚ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਓ, and you go around Guru Sahib to show that from today onwards I'm going to bring that pravirti karm into my life. That karm means that work I'm going to bring into my life कि I'm always going to try and attach myself to the truth. ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਲਾਭ ਸੀਗੀ. ਦੂਜੀ ਲਾਭ ਕੱਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਅੰਤਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਹਰ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਏਕੋ. And after the ਦੂਜੀ ਲਾਭ, what happens in the wedding ceremony? The bride and groom go around Guru Granth Sahib Ji the second time as well. And what does that mean? कि I'm surrendering in front of you कि within my marriage life, Guru Ji da gun kiya, Paramatma da gun kiya. What's the quality of God? कि He's the same inside and outside. There's no fakeness in God. जो अंदरों आ ਉਹੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਵੀ ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਆ, ਜੋ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ ਬਾਹਰ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਆ, ਕਿ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਅੰਦਰ ਕੁਛ ਹੋਵੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਕੁਛ ਹੋਰ ਹੋਵੇ. And bringing that quality into a marriage life means कि whatever the husband is from the inside, that's what he is from the outside. And same goes to the wife as well. They don't hide anything from each other. They trust each other. They respect each other. They're loyal to each other. And that's what we learned yesterday. And today in the third Lam, Guru Ram Das Maharaj says in the Suhi Rag, okay, you know what? You know what happens? You know in the third Lam, Vairag Upajada. Vairag is that love. Vairag is that pain. Vairag is that emotion that comes from within. And you know what? The day you understand how to live a truthful life, the day you understand how to be the same inside and how to be the same outside, ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ? ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਵੈਰਾਗ ਉਪਜੇਗਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾ ਰਹਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ. ਮਨ ਉਪਜਿਆ, ਹੁਣ ਉਪਜਿਆ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਕੀ ਆ? ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਪਜਿਆ ਮਨ ਵੈਰਾਗ ਜੀਓ. So from inside there's that love that has awoken. Before I never had that connection, but now I have that connection to my Guru Shabad. Why? Because I'm understanding the teachings of my Guru, implementing them into my life. Sachi gala, that person that will lie in life will always have a guilty conscience. It's true, isn't it? The person that lies to his wife will have a guilty conscience. The woman that lies to her husband will have that guilty conscience, and that guilty conscience will not let her look into her husband's eyes. If she goes behind her husband's back and does something wrong, फिर की होएगा? अंदर बाहर एक थोड़ो होए, धक्के खा रहे हैं, they're wandering around doing wrong things in life, and that guilty conscience kicks in, and guess what happens? That separation happens of the soul. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਸੀਗੇ ਹੁਣ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੇ, ਉਹ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਹੋ ਗਏ. They're not one anymore. They're separated because they're not walking on the same path anymore. They've drifted off because she's not loyal to the husband, or the husband, verse versa, it goes to both. Or the husband's not loyal to the wife. And ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੀਜੀ ਲਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਕਿ ਤੀਜੀ ਲਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਇਹ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ there's that love which is inseparable. There's that love which is inseparable. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟੁੱਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ, ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਵੈਰਾਗ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ. Is that ਵੈਰਾਗ, that emotion that makes you cry. And sometimes it comes above as well. Andro man dukhi hunda, when your mind's upset from inside, what happens? Your emotions take over and tears come out your eye. And I want to say one thing here. मैं English ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ, Punjabi ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ. I'm going to translate it from English to Punjabi. Let me say it in English first. You know, if you want to see how rich you are in life, don't see how much money you have in life. I always say this. The poorest person in life, the poorest person in life is the one that only has money. ਗਰੀਬ ਬੰਦਾ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ 'ਚ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਗਰੀਬ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੱਲਾ ਹੀ ਪੈਸਾ, that only has money. And I tell you one thing, the richest person, how do you see if somebody's rich in life? I always say, drop a tear from your eye and see how many hands come to wipe that tear. And that will show you how rich you are in life. मैं पंजाबी च कहदा, जे देखना होवे ना किन्ने अमीर आ, किन्ने रिच आ जिंदगी च, दसा की करना चाहिदा? एक हना हंजू डिगे अख चों तां वेखो किन्ने हथ आउंदे ने ओ हंजू नूं पूंजण वास्ते. उदों पता लगेगा कि अमीर आ कि गरीब आ. पैसिਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੰਦਾ अमीर नहीं हुंदा. In Gurbani doesn't state by having so much money you'll be the richest person in the world. Gurbani says the truthful person is the richest one in the world. The person that is truthful is the richest one. And in Gurbani Maharaj says, Raja Sagli Srishtaka Har Naam Man Pinna. Asli Raja Ova Jede Palle Naam aa gaya, Bhav Sach aa gaya, O Asli Raja. And you know what Guruji says in Gurbani? Raja, we call kings, don't we? Raja means a king. We translate it to say a king. And in Gurbani, Maharaj says, Raja is that person jida raj gaya hove, that is fulfilled. And if we look at today's kings, they're not fulfilled, are they? They want more and more and more. We want more and more and more. Says kate lakko uttha ve, tripatna ave, maya pacha pave. It's like having a flame and putting so much fuel into it. By putting so much fuel into the fire, will that fire stop? No, it will carry on increasing more and more. By putting wood into the fire, will it stop? Lakkar je ag vich pai chalo mainu dasso bheno singho, oh ag bujh jayegi, nahi bujhni. Isi tarah Gurbani says कि inside us there's a fire of desire. And we're thinking that whatever we desire, when we get, that fire will go. No. That desire will keep increasing. You'll want more and more and more and more. And the only way to get rid of that desire which is inside is to be content. Is to be satisfied with what you have. Is to be happy with what you have. Santokhi bana, content bana. And jadon tu eh bhavana apni zindagi ch le aaya, that love for your Guru will be inseparable. People can try and take you away from the teachings of the truth, but what will happen? You will never want to be split away from them. And ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਵੈਰਾਗ ਉਪਜ ਗਿਆ ਆਖੋ ਸਤਨਾਮ. And what does Guru Ramdas ji, our fourth Guru, carry on saying? Understand. And ਫਿਰ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਸੰਤ ਜਣਾ ਹਰ ਮੇਲ ਹਰ ਪਾਇਆ, ਵੱਡ ਭਾਗੀਆ ਬਲਰਾਮ ਜੀਓ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੰਤ ਜਣਾ ਹਰ ਮੇਲ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ by meeting the saints. Saints don't necessarily mean by wearing this robe you become a saint. Sant ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਸੰਤ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਸੰਤ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ. ਸੰਤ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਚੋਲਾ ਪਾ ਲਿਆ ਉਹ ਸੰਤ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ. Sant is a quality that is given by your Guru. Sant is a state of mind. Saint is a state of mind that happens when you get those qualities in your life. if you can't take care of anybody, if you can't look after anybody, if you can't treat others the way you want to be treated in life, then how are you a saint? Saint, sant, ਗੁਣ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਣ ਆ ਜਾਣ ਹਨਾ ਸੰਤਾਂ ਦੇ, ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਸੰਤ ਲੱਗਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਸੰਤ ਉਹ ਆ. Sant is a state of mind. Becoming a saint is a state of mind. And Maharaj in Gurbani is saying, Sant jana har mel. Sant are those people that have the qualities in their life, live a truthful life, ਸੱਚ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਜਿਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ. Sant jan, they're the slaves of God, meaning they're the slaves of humanity. And I always say this, if you can't see God in all, you can't see God at all. If you can't see God in all, ਜੇ ਰੱਬ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਸ ਰਿਹਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੱਚ ਜਾਣੀ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਰੱਬ ਦਿਸਣਾ. ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਨਾ ਜੋਤ ਜਗਦੀ ਆ, ਹੁਣ there's a light, ਮੈਂ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਜੋਤ ਜਗਦੀ ਆ, ਜੋਤ ਜਗਦੀ ਆ. ਪਰ if you've got hatred towards people, then ਸੱਚ ਜਾਣ ਲਿਓ. If you can't see God in all, you can't see God at all. And this is what Guruji teaches us. This is the teachings of Guru Sahib. And Maharaj ki kande ne, by meeting those saints, jans, servants of humanity, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ? ਸੰਤ ਜਨਾ ਹਰ ਮੇਲ ਹਰ ਪਾਇਆ ਵੱਡ ਭਾਗੀਆ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ what's happened? By meeting those saints, now what's happened? I have found that inner peace. ਮੈਂ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਮਿਲ ਗਿਆ. ਹਰ ਪਾਇਆ, ਹਰ ਨੂੰ ਪਾ ਲਿਆ, meaning I have obtained God. I can experience God from inside. God doesn't live anywhere in the clouds. God lives everywhere. God is in every little thing. ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਸਦਾ. ਫਿਰ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਵੱਡੇ ਭਾਗ ਮੇਰੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਮਿਲ ਗਿਆ. ਆਖੋ ਸਤਨਾਮ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ. ਵੱਡੇ ਭਾਗ ਕੀ ਹੋਏ? ਗੁੱਡ ਫੋਰਚੂਨ. ਗੁੱਡ ਫੋਰਚੂਨ ਕੀ ਹੋਈ? ਚੰਗੀ ਪਲਾਨ ਬਣੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਸੰਤ ਜਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇ. It was a good plan. I met with those saints. I sat with them down. I made the plan to go and sit with them. When I sat with them, I understood. And when I understood, my whole plans changed. My life changed completely. And what does that become? When your life changes for the good, what does that make your fortune? Good fortune. When your life changes for the best, what happens is a good future. ਜਦੋਂ ਮਾੜੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਮਾੜੇ ਭਾਗ ਬਣ ਜਾਣ, then what happens? It becomes bad future, bad fortune. Good fortune is ਚੰਗੇ ਭਾਗ ਆ, ਚੰਗੀ ਪਲਾਨ ਹੋਈ, ਚੰਗੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਹੋਈ, ਚੰਗੇ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤੇ, ਚੰਗੇ ਕੰਮਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਦੇ ਭਾਗ ਚੰਗੇ ਬਣਾਤੇ. Good future now is a positive future ahead because I'm doing the right things in life. ਵੱਡ ਭਾਗੀਆ ਬਲ ਰਾਮ ਜੀਓ, ਕਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ sacrifice to that Akal Purkh Vaheguru Ram, meaning God, ਕਿ ਜਿਨਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਦੇਤੀ through my Guru. And what does Guruji carry on saying? ਨਿਰਮਲ ਹਰ ਪਾਇਆ ਹਰ ਗੁਣ ਗਾਇਆ ਮੁਖ ਬੋਲੀ ਹਰ ਬਾਣੀ. As I said yesterday, Nirmal came in yesterday's lav as well. Nirmal means without filth. Ne means no. Mal means filth, so without filth. We have jealousy inside us, that's the filth. We have ego inside us, that's filth. We have hatred inside us, that's filth. ਈਰਖਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਆ ਜੀ, ਹੰਕਾਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ, ਦਵੈਸ਼ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਮੈਲ ਨੇ. ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਆ ਉਹ ਨਿਰਮਲ ਆ. God is without filth because he has no ego, he has no hatred, he keeps everybody the same, he has love for everybody the same. ਇਹ ਨਿਰਮਲ ਹਰ ਪਾਇਆ, ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਪਾ ਲਿਆ, I've obtained, as we stated before. And what does Maharaj say? ਨਿਰਮਲ ਹਰ ਪਾਇਆ ਹਰ ਗੁਣ ਗਾਇਆ. Now I'm singing the praises of God. And you know this Bhakti, I want to bring it into a married couple's life. Kyunki Lama is for those that are getting married. But not just for them. As I said the first day, that when this mind emerges into Paramatma, asli o din Lama hundiyan ne. Jado jeev istri Paramatma de naal mel hunda hai na ji, us din asli Lama hundiyan ne. Udo malap hunda ji. And Maharaj ki keh rahe ne? ਕਿ ਨਿਰਮਲ ਹਰ ਪਾਇਆ ਹਰ ਗੁਣ ਗਾਇਆ ਮੁਖ ਬੋਲੀ ਹਰ ਬਾਣੀ. So we need to understand. Let's understand first according to God. So mukh means your mouth, Boli means to say, bol, keh. हर बाणी के परमात्मा दी बाणी मुख दे नाल बोली सीधे स्पष्ट अर्थ हो गए अच्छा हुण आपां ए नूं let's bring this teaching into the husband and wife marriage bride and groom couple into that situation of their living how will they implement this into their life try and understand this point now मुख बोली हर बाणी घरां विच कलेश किद्दां हुंदे ने माड़े बोलक बोलदे हैं ना जी तां करके why is there so many fights because the husband said something to the wife and the wife didn't like it and she said 5 things back it's true isn't it ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਬਾਣੀ ਆ ਬਾਣੀ means the words ਮੁਖ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਾਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਾਈ ਭਾਵ ਸੱਚ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੁੜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਨਾ ਗਲਤ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਬੋਲ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ husband says 3-4 swear words to the wife and she doesn't she's like don't worry I'm not cooking food for you today now I'm going now and verse versa if the wife says something to the husband he's like you can do what you want I'm not going to do anything for you now I'm not going to help you out in any way and a bolak bolla karke because of this tongue we don't think before saying something do we don't we don't think sometimes we say things a jeeva iddan di some people say this tongue is like a gun sometimes you shoot from this gun that you can't take those bullets back sometimes a jeev iddan di ya ke iddan de bol bolan de hana ji ke bandook wangu is like a bullet goliyan jadon vajdiyan hana ji has an effect on somebody it can kill somebody that bullet can kill somebody and you can't bring it back when that bullet is shot is gone it hits somebody and it has an effect in their life you just don't know what somebody is going through in life so before saying something mukh boli har bani within the relationship husband and wife have respect for one another ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਾ ਕਹਿ ਦੀ ਕਿ ਘਰ ਵਾਲੀ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੇ ਸੱਟ ਵੱਜੇ ਇਹ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਸਿਖਾਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਜੇ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੱਚੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ ਡਿਵੋਰਸ ਨਾ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਜੇ ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸਿੱਖੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ and the same thing if the wife says something to the husband don't take it to heart don't have a big massive row over it calm down ਆਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਇੱਕ ਕਮਲਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਦੂਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਮਲੇ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ if one's going mad doesn't mean the second one goes mad as well one should always stay calm in a situation and if we bring this understanding into our life mukh boli bolo bolo mukh boli har bani implement this law the third law into your life and always talk nicely to each other always help each other and then what does Guru Maharaj say sant jana vad bhagi paya हर कथिया अकथ कहानी कहते संत जना वडभागी पाया we went through that just before के संत जन those saints the servants we're so good fortune that we met them and then what happens हर कथिया अकथ कहानी इधर ध्यान देना अकथ की हुंदा जेड़ी गल अकथी ना जावे Akath means that thing that you not can talk about, you can't speak about. एक हुंदी आ कथा करनी, you talk about something. एक हुंदी आ के कथा नहीं हुंदी, अकथ कथा. ਹੁਣ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਦੱਸਿਓ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨਾ ਲੋਕ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਕਥ ਕਥਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਅਕਥ ਕਥਾ in Gurbani Maharaj says you can't do akath katha because there's things in life that can only be experienced but you can't explain them. It's true, isn't it? God, you can only experience. You can't teach people about God. Try and understand this. The experience you have about God, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਥਾ ਜਾਣੋਗੇ ਪ੍ਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦੀ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਕਿ experiencing God. ਅਕਥ ਕਥਾ ਤਿੰਨ ਜਾਣੀ. What does that mean? Let me give you a straightforward example. I'm holding a flower rose. If I say to you to smell the rose and explain to me what does that smell like? Can you explain to me what roses smell like? What will you say? I will say, what does a rose smell like? You will say, it smells like a rose. It smells beautiful. It smells like a rose. ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਾ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਗੁਲਾਬ ਦੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਬਸ ਗੁਲਾਬ ਦੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਵਰਗੀ ਆ ਬਸ ਗੁਲਾਬ ਦੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਗੁਲਾਬ ਦੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਵਰਗੀ ਆ if I ask somebody what's the taste of water They will say the taste of water is the taste of water. You can't describe it. पानी दी description दस नहीं सकते हैं, यही कह सकते हैं. What can we say? Why don't you have a taste yourself? You want to know the smell of a rose? Here, smell it for yourself. आप खुशबू ले, sniff the rose yourself, and तेनू पता लग जाएगा कि गुलाब दी खुशबू की है. तू आप महक लेके वेख ला. इसी तरह to experience God in life, अकथ कथा नहीं हुंदी परमात्मा दी. You can't talk about the unspoken one. अकथ कथा नहीं हो रही. But guess what? You can experience the truthful one in your life. सच्चे नू अपनी जिंदगी विच तुसी एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं जदों आप सच्चे हो जाओगे. आखो सतनाम. And this is what Guru Ramdas Pasha is saying. Coming on to the last पंक्तियां, Maharaj is saying, हिरदय हर 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 तुने उपजी, हर जपिए मस्तक पाग जियो. कहंदे within my mind, har har har, meaning God, 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 meaning the truthful one, meaning the truth. Sach mere andar hun vibrate ho raha. Within the couple, there's truthful. Again and again, Guruji is emphasizing. You know what people probably thinking? In the first love, Maharaj was talking about true living. In the second love, Guru Ramdas Ji was talking about the truthful living. In the third love, Guru Ramdas Ji is talking about the truthful living. And let me say one thing. The husband and bride who have a truthful living will always have true love for each other as well. Will always have true love for each other. Let me say something funny. क्योंकि हंस भी लइए थोड़ा जिहा क्योंकि सारे इदा थोड़े जिहा ना dead बह जांदे आ कथा वेले. Let's laugh a bit. There was a husband. पहला मैं पंजाबी च कहदा फिर इंग्लिश विच कह दांगा. पंजाबी विच ज्यादा हासा जिहा आउंदा है पंजाबी च विच स्वाद आ जांदा है गल दा. दसा की होया घर वाला सीगा हना जी ओनू चेस्ट पेन बहुत हो रहा सी दर्द हो रहा सी बहुत कहन लगा ओ भागा ने मैं मर चलना तू डॉक्टर नू फोन कर दे छेती कर फोन डॉक्टर नू वो कहन लगी जगरा रख मैं कर रही हां वो कहंदा साह नहीं आ रहा चीस बहुत पै रही आ कहन लगी अच्छा खड़ जा मैं फोन कर रही हां फोन चक्के अपना कहन लगी ओहो मेरा तो डेटर नहीं है क्रेडिट नहीं है फोन च कहन लगी अपना फोन फड़ायो कहन लगा फोन फड़ तू डॉक्टर नू फोन कर मैं मर चलना हार्ट अटैक हो लगा मर चलना चेस्ट पेन पै रही आ वो घर वाली ने ना फोन जो चक्या कहन लगी फोन तो कर ला पहला पासपोर्ट की आ थोड़ी कहन लगा हुण चीस घट गई आ खुद सत कहंदे चीस घट गई क्यों क्योंकि डर आ जे घर वाली फोन च वड़ गई इनू पता लग जाना मैं किना किना नू मैसेज करदा. There's no truthful living, is there? And let me say in English. There was a husband, he was having a heart attack, he was getting chest pain. He says to his wife, oh wife, help me out, phone the doctor, I need help, I'm going to die, call the doctor, do something. And the wife's like, okay, 1 minute. She gets her phone, as she's about to call, she's like, I don't even have any credit in my phone, what shall I do? He was like, just use my phone, just please phone the doctor, I'm about to have a heart attack, I'm going to die. I can't breathe. She grabs his phone. As she's about to open the phone, the passcode comes up saying enter the PIN. As she looks over to the phone, she says to the husband, I can't open it, I need the password. He's like, don't worry, the chest pain's gone now. He's worried, why? Because if she gets into my phone, she's going to see who I'm messaging. And this is what Guruji is saying, where's the truthful living? Where's the truthful life? And again in each lam, first lam, second lam, third lam, the fourth lam, when you're going around your guru, it means I'm surrendering, I will obey these teachings and bring them into my married life. And ki hunda andro har ton upji, that sound of the truth vibrates within side of me, meaning I'm living a truthful life. And the last Pangati, what does Guru Ramdas Ji Pasha say? Jan Nanak bole tiji lave har upje man bairag jiyo. Says again Guru Ramdas Ji Maharaj says Nanak in the third lam that vairag wakens from within. Vairag andron upajada kiya, that inseparable love for your Guru. And the day will come, that will be the same thing between you and your wife, that inseparable love that no one can split you apart. Akho Satnam. So these were the